Welcome to VCC's Downtown campus. The Downtown campus is adjacent to Gastown, Vancouver's oldest neighborhood, which is home to many design and tech firms, as well as some of the city's best restaurants. The Downtown campus is easily accessible by SkyTrain, bus, and C-Bus. Programs include baking, culinary arts, jewelry arts, fashion design, graphic design, hairstyling and aesthetics, CAD and BIM technologies, hospitality management, early childhood education, adult special education, and more. While some portions of these programs may be administered using alternative methods, we still make hands-on training a priority. Small class sizes and innovative solutions have allowed students to return to campus safely. Our unique facilities at the Downtown campus include a dental clinic, dental technology labs, full-service salon and spa, baking labs, culinary kitchens, and more. To learn more about each individual program, we encourage you to attend an online info session or make an appointment with advising services.